Dear friends, I'm just sitting in front of our school, Yara International School. You can see this. Previously it was a parking area. Now they constructed a new railway station, Qasr Al Hukm. The name of the station is Qasr Al Hukm. This is the previous mosque. This is the station. Way to the station inside. It is underground. See the canopy. This is world number 1 canopy, and you can see adjacent to a canopy our school. The huge building, the brown color building, that is our school where I am working presently. So presently I'm working in Riyadh, Yara International School. So kindly share this, subscribe this. Thank you.